And Mombasa County is staring at another possible lockdown due to the spike in cases of COVID-19 infections. According to the county's Emergency Response Committee on COVID-19, the trend in local transmission is alarming and there is a need to escalate restrictions to curb the spread of the virus. NTV's Kevin Mutai also reports that public hospitals are grappling with insufficient supply of oxygen.
At least 10,400 people have so far been infected with COVID-19 in Mombasa County since the outbreak of the pandemic. Over 200 people have succumbed to the disease since last year. 98% of those infected are local transmissions, a situation that has health officials in Mombasa on the edge. Cases of new infections are on the rise, with 67 people testing positive in the last 24 hours from a sample size of 435.
We have witnessed an upsurge of COVID-19 in the county of Mombasa, and we are worried that if we don't take measures, we will go back to where we were previously.
Mombasa County Emergency Response Committee on COVID-19 maintained that it might be necessary to escalate COVID-19 restrictions due to the rising cases.
We don't want to get to a point where now we are forced again to make those very hard decisions of closing down places, or looking at cessation of movement to be re-implemented.
Public health officials say that locals have dropped their guard against the disease, citing the lack of wearing masks or observing social distance. Places of worship and the public transport have been considered high-risk areas.
Last month, we had 762. That was in March. We are 20th April, as per the last statistics, we are at 752. So obviously we'll surpass the previous month. And that is now what is worrying us, that we need to watch out, something is not right.
The county is also in panic because of the numbers, which translates to pressure on available resources and isolation facilities required in the care for COVID-19 patients.
We have had to purchase our own oxygen plant in Coast General. But right now we're depending on supplies from every other source that we can. Even with these numbers, I can tell you for a fact it's some kind of a struggle.
A report from the Department of Health indicates that the number of males infected are 2 times more to that of females. As of today, a total of 19,093 people have received COVID-19 vaccination in the county. They include 3,394 healthcare workers, 1,149 security agents, 2,319 teachers, and 11,931 members of the public. Kevin Mutai, NTV in Mombasa County.